What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some BBQ chicken French bread pizza, and you're saying, so Black Owl, haven't you made French bread pizza already? I have, but not this way, cutie pie, because this is the barbecue chicken style. You see, this pizza is kind of like Pac-Man, many different styles of Pac-Man. You had Pac-Man, you had Ms. Pac-Man, you had the Pac-Attack, you had Pac-Man's Super Beer Run. So we're gonna go ahead and make this barbecue chicken deal today. First thing you gotta do, if you're gonna make some French bread pizza, you have to get that French bread. You sit there and say, oui, oui, monsieur. So go ahead and get that French bread, cut it in half, put it in the deal. Next, got to have that sauce, baby, because you know that sauce is the boss. And you know I got that Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Had just enough of it left too, which is a damn good thing because you know I ain't going back to the stove. Come on. So go ahead and put that sauce on the bottom, spread it out. Fine. And now, if you're gonna have barbecue chicken pizza, got to have some of that chicken, baby, that yard bird, that yard pimp. But today, our yard pimp is in the can. It's the can, we had to bust it out of the can like the Blues Brothers, man. We had to go and get it out of there. So I got that canned chicken. You're saying something like, oh, couldn't you go and get some chicken thighs? I know you like chicken thighs. You could go get some chicken thighs and cook it. Maybe, well, you could. But you know me, buddy. I got time for that shit, so. And I don't have the money either, man. The holidays is coming, and my pockets is touching. They about to start a fire the way they're repping. So I went ahead and got that canned chicken today. Cheapo, goodo, gonna be fine-o. So put it on top of that deal-o. Now, we're a little extra spice in our life, sir. What you gonna add now? Jalapeno, buddy. We put some jalapeno on top of that thing, baby, and I'm telling you, tomorrow's gonna make you a butt sing. It's gonna be like the fire down below, like Steven Seagal, baby. So now put that on top of there, and we are gonna seal with just a little bit of cheese. So you get the cheese, you get the chicken, you get the deal, you put it in there, you put it on top, and then you can go ahead and watch about half an episode of The Golden Girls. By the time Rose starts telling one of her crazy stories, you gotta come back and check this stuff because it's not gonna take very long, but you put it on 350, put it in the deal. Not gonna take long at all in the oven there, sir. So we're gonna come back and have a sight and a big, beautiful bite of this French bread pizza tonight, buddy. Alright, baby, the time has come. The French bread barbecue chicken pizza is done, mister. And I'm having that first bite for me. So, if I could, I'm going to row 3, seat 1. Break me off a piece of that yummy, yummy. So. That's good, man. Real good. The barbecue and that jalapeno just makes it go, man. And that chicken piled high. Ooh, gives you the power. So, I want to thank all you powerful people coming to see me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right there on my YouTube channel now. I will be enjoying this pizza. I hope you enjoy your time, and I'll see you next time, baby, and I love you. So, peace out. Yeah.